He takes over the family business.
Indeed.
Weather time now. Alexis is here. September nearly broke a record.
It did. It was the second warmest September on record in the UK. So, yeah, pretty warm for the time of year. We've got some really quite unsettled conditions over the next few days, especially tomorrow, and I'll talk about that in the forecast. Claire Palmer photographed the skies today in Rushington.
Paul White captured the sunshine at Lee on the Solents.
And Alison Treacher sent us this shot in Alverstoke. We had a good deal of sunshine today. Through the course of today, we did have some rain at first and then showers to follow, but we're looking at clear skies at the moment, and it's a mainly dry evening and first part of the night. Lots of sunshine today. This was Portland in Dorset, photographed by Leslie, one of our weather watchers. Through the course of tomorrow, though, we start to see some really wet and windy weather, thundery rain and strong gusty winds, gales for the south coast. Through the course of tonight, the winds will be fairly light. They'll start to increase later in the night. We start with clear skies, then the cloud will increase. We could see some patchy rain during the early hours of the morning, and it's going to be a cooler night than last night with lows of around 6 degrees. So tomorrow it will be a dry start to the morning with maybe some sunshine first thing in some areas, but it won't stay that way. We do have a weather warning from the Met Office, a rain and a wind warning, gusts along the coast of 65 miles per hour, inland in the warning area up to 55, and outside the warning area around 45 miles an hour gusts, and rain. Torrential rain is expected, which could cause some problems. Flooding is a risk as well. So we will have that rain moving in during the middle part of the morning, engulfing much of the region. It will be quite torrential, and there could be some thunderstorms embedded in that rain, with temperatures reaching a high of around 14 to 17, maybe 18 degrees. So really torrential downpours during the course of tomorrow, with it very strong winds. And as you can imagine, on the inshore waters, the winds are very brisk indeed. Southwesterly 7 to severe gale 9, occasionally storm 10, then veering westerly, and at times the sea state is fairly rough. So we're looking at large waves, potentially with the wind-driven waves as well. The rain will clear tomorrow night, maybe lingering down towards the south and east. It starts to move back in once again, and temperatures fall to around 7 to 8 degrees for northernmost areas, double digits along the south coast and for the Isle of Wight. So Sunday's a much better day. The low pressure's still close by. Sunny spells, maybe some showers from this weather front moving in from the Atlantic. So yes, we are going to see some unsettled conditions tomorrow. Very windy, the chance of localised flooding, and gales for the south coast, even very strong winds for inland areas. David.
October has arrived. Thanks very much, Alexis. We're going to leave you tonight with a taste of Arts by the Sea. Some spectacular projections on Bournemouth Town Hall on show tonight and tomorrow every half hour from 7:30. From the team, have a good weekend. Bye-bye.
Good night.